Okay, so here in this example, we have a dollar and then double set and triple nine. This is going to be the picture field, and then the input that I'm going to pass over here is triple zero and then 123. So this is going to be the input that I'm going to pass over here. So after passing this input, so what will happen? So after passing this input, the first zero will be matched with the first dollar, and then the resultant value it's going to give is the same is dollar itself, and then the second zero will be passed to the z, the first is z. So I'm going to get what? The blank space. So the z, which is going to be an zero suppression character, which is going to suppress the zero, and then which is going to give the resultant value what? The blank space. And then the third zero will be passed to the second z, and then it's going to perform the zero suppression, and then what it's going to give, which is going to give blank space as a result. And then the next one, which is about 1, I'm going to pass it to 9, which is going to give the same result 1. Similarly, we are going to get 2 3. So the resultant output of this process, where I'm going to pass 1 2 3 as an input value to the picture field dollar double z and triple nine, I'm going to get the result what? Dollar double b and then 1 2 3. So this is going to be the output that I'm going to get. Okay, and keep in mind, to this example, just I'm going to give the input 1 2 3 alone, where I have included the leftmost three zeros. Okay, so to this example, we have 6 positions in your picture field, and then the input which is going to be have just 3 values 1 2 3 alone. Just for matching purposes, I have included the leftmost 3 zeros. Okay, and then I'm going to match each and every input value with the picture field, and after processing I'm going to get the output, which is going to be what? Dollar double blank spaces and then 1 2 3. Okay, student, do you have any clarifications regarding this? Student, do you have any clarifications regarding this? If you need to ask anything, you could ask me now. Okay, good. Now I would like to post some questions to you people, so that you have to give the answers in your chat box. Okay, so that's the thing here. Now the question is going to be the picture field, which is going to be same. Okay, the picture field which is going to be same, dollar double z and triple nine. The picture field which is going to be same, and to this I am going to give the input. The input is going to be 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, which is going to be the input. Okay, now what is going to be the output? Where the picture field which consists of 6 positions, and then the input which is going to have just 4 positions, what? 1 2 3 4. And after processing, what is going to be the output? So this is going to be the question. So whatever the answer, post it in your chat box. Make it fast. Okay, so this one is good. Okay, I will once again I will repeat to you. Okay, Divya, I will once again repeat the question. The input is going to be the picture field, which is going to be a dollar and then double is it triple nine. The same picture field what I'm showing it in, showing it you through the through my device. Okay, mobile device. So the input which is going to be the same, what? Dollar double Z and triple nine. Okay, and to this the input value which is going to be 1 2 3 4. See here in the example what we have 1 2 3, but now I am going to give the input now which is going to be 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then now I need the output. What is going to be the output? So we have six positions in your picture field as dollar, double Z and triple nine, and then the input which is going to be what? 1 2 3 4, which is going to be your input. Now what is the output? Dollar B 1 2 3 4. Very good, very good. My Ritik, Divya. Okay, good, very good, very good. So the answer is correct. So that's going to be the answer. It's very simple. Sharon Sweetie, okay. Okay. So you people have answered it very correctly. So that's going to be the answer. Okay. So how we are going to do this? Just we are going to have what dollar, and then say I'm working out here. So we have what dollar, and then you have what double Z and then triple nine. So this is going to be what your input dollar double Z and triple nine. To this I'm passing the input, what the input which is going to be 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So this is going to be the input. So after passing this input, what I'm going to do, we have to include the leftmost two zeros. So to the left I'm including what? Two zeros. So it's over. Now I'm going to compare, I'm going to match each and every character with the picture field. So the picture field which is going to be dollar, and then the input which is going to be what? Your zero, the first position. So we have to match each and every position. First 0 with dollar, and then 0 with Z, and then 1 with Z. So we have to match like that. So here while matching 0 with dollar, what it's going to give? The dollar itself. And then the next one, while matching 0 with Z, so what is the role of Z over here, which is going to be in 0 suppression? So which will convert the 0 to what? Blank spaces, and the rest of the thing will come as such. So now we used to have the resultant value what? Dollar blank space 1 2 3 4. Okay, the answer is very correct. So which is going to be a nice attempt by the second MSSS students. Very good students. And then the next example, which is going to be about minus usage of minus. Okay, so this is going to be your next example. So see here, so in this example I am going to use the minus sign. Okay, the minus sign, the picture field which is going to be minus 49, which is going to be the picture field, and then minus 0 1 2 3, which is going to be the input value. Listen students, listen here carefully. The purpose of minus is what? To change the value to a negative value, we are using what? The minus symbol. So the picture field here which consists of the minus symbol. Okay, and then the input that I'm going to give here is what? Minus 1 2 3. That's going to be the actual input that I'm going to give over here. But while matching the picture field with the input value, we won't have some proper matches. So we won't have proper match, because in picture field you have a total of 5 positions, but in the input just you have what? 4 positions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the leftmost minus in the minus 1 2 3, and then I'm going to match with what? The first minus. And then just we have 1 2 3, I'm going to put that 1 2 3 to each and every 9 from the rightmost. And then for the first 9 we don't have any values at all. Okay, we don't have any values at all to the first 9. So I'm going to include 0 over here. It's very simple. First I'm going to take minus, and then I'm going to put it down to the minus. Okay, that's going to be the first process I'm going to do. And then second thing what I'm going to do, I am going to apply the 1, 2, 3 value, input value from the rightmost. So it's very clear, you have to be very clear whenever that you're going to apply the value, the numerical value to the picture field, you have to apply it from the rightmost in. So the to the rightmost 9 I am going to apply the value 3, and then to the second 9, to the rightmost second 9 I am going to apply the value 2, and then next one, and to the fourth rightmost value, fourth 9, we doesn't have any value. So I am going to include what? A 0. 0 to the down of that particular 9. Okay, now after editing, after the editing process, the output that I'm going to get over here is minus 0, 1, 2, 3, because the 0 will be passed to 9. I'm going to get the value at 0 itself, and then 1 similarly, 2 similarly, and 3 similarly. I'm going to get the same results. The only thing that we have to do over here is what? We are using the minus, the negative sign, minus sign, and then we have included 0 because for matching purposes we are using, and then we are processing, and this is the output that I'm going to get, what? Minus 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the next 11th option, see here, in the picture field I have used the minus symbol, the negative sign, to the rightmost end. In the previous example, how we have used? We have used the minus symbol to the leftmost end. But here in this example, how we have used? We have used the minus symbol to the rightmost end. Okay. And then what is the input value that I am going to pass? The same value, what? Minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now what I am going to do? I am going to match the minus sign to the down of the picture field minus sign. So in the picture field you have minus, to the down of the minus sign that we have, whatever that we have in the picture field, I am including the minus here, minus sign here. Okay, and then what I am going to do, to the leftmost end, to the leftmost end, for the first 9 in your picture field, we doesn't have any value, so I'm going to include what? A leftmost 0 over here. Okay, and after this I'm going to match each and every character of the input with the picture field, and then finally I'm going to get the output, what? The same value, 0, 1, 2, 3. The only difference is the minus symbol which is present to the rightmost end here. Okay, to the rightmost end. In the previous example, the minus symbol which presents to the leftmost end, here the minus symbol which is present to the rightmost end. So keep it in mind. So whenever that you're going to assign sign, based on the picture field only, you have to assign the position of the sign symbol. So see here in the previous example, the sign symbol which presents at the leftmost. So I am going to assign the sign symbol, the minus symbol, to the leftmost end. But here in this example, the minus symbol which presents in the rightmost end of your picture field. So I am going to, what I am going to do, while assigning the input value for editing purposes, I am going to assign the minus sign to the rightmost end of your processing purposes. Okay, so this is going to be the 11th example, and then this is going to be your 12th example related to minus sign. See here, the picture field which consists of what? Minus and 4 nines. The picture field which consists of minus and 4 nines, and to this I am going to pass value, the input value, which is going to be just 382. That's it. That's what that's why I have underlined 382. The 382 which is going to be the input over here, and while matching the positions, okay, while matching the positions, so see here, what we have, the input which is going to be an uh, 4 9 with minus symbol, and then the picture field which is going to be with minus with 4 9, and then the input which is going to be what? 0 3 82. Okay, so uh, here we have to perform one more thing. The what is the thing that we have to perform over here? We have to include one more zeros, for processing purposes. I'm going to include one more zeros to the leftmost 0. Okay, and then see here, the first 0 will be checked with the minus symbol, because this is going to be in positive value, the input value which is going to be in positive, but a picture field which consists of negative, the minus symbol. So keep it in mind, students. Suppose if both the picture field and the input value, suppose if it have the same symbol, the same minus symbol, then your resultant value will be with minus symbol. But here in this example, the picture field which consists of what, minus symbol, but the input value which doesn't have any minus symbol over here, and finally the output which is going to be what, the blank space 0382, because the 0 will be compared with the minus, and then which is going to give the resultant value what, blank space. So here the minus which is going to act like what, which is going to act like a zero suppression. So normally the Z character, what it used to do, it used to convert the leading zeros to what, blank spaces. Similarly, the minus symbol, what which is going to do over here, which is going to convert the leading zeros to what, blank spaces. Okay. So first the result that we first position we have blank space, and to the rest of 4-digit positions we are going to get the same value, what, 0382. Okay. So this is going to be the resultant value. So now the time is up, so we have to stop the session. And then today we have included some four editing characters. The first one which is going to be about Z, and then second one which is going to be about asterisk, and third one which is going to be about um, which is going to be about what, which is going to be about the minus, the negative sign. So dear students, today just we have covered some four editing characters. um, so from the next session, just with the slide presentation, I'm going to present this particular topic. The purpose of these types of explanations is to make you clear as how the picture field which is matched with the input value, and how which is going to produce the output. That's why I have written some examples in my notebook, and then showing it to you today. um, uh, from the next class, using the same presentation, I'm going to explain to you, but you have to work out using your notebooks, a pen and paper. You have to work it in your home. Okay, but you will get just with those definitions, and just with those examples you will get some clear representations. And with this, what I'm going to do is, so you will have these video recordings in YouTube. So normally I'm going to upload these recordings in YouTube, and then I will give those link to you people in Google Classrooms. So you could make use of those links, and then suppose for revision purposes or for some other purposes, for studying purposes, you could use those recordings. And with this, I will upload this PPT also in your Google Classroom. So you could make use of those PPTs and video links, and then suppose if you need any clarifications or anything, you could make use of those things. Okay. So with this, today I would like to stop the session. Dear students, if you have any doubts or any clarification, you could ask me now, or else we could stop the session. Students, do you have any doubts?
Not up, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma. So thank you for listening patiently throughout the entire session. Thank you.